Hi everyone, I hope you've had a great week. I want to start my message today by expressing gratitude for your flexibility and support. There have been many challenges and changes this year, and I appreciate all you're doing to support our schools and your students during this time. I want to share some hopeful news today. As you know, the situation with COVID-19 is constantly changing, and right now we're starting to head in a better direction. While case rates in our community and in Franklin County are still high, we're beginning to see a decline in those numbers. The experts on our medical advisory team believe there's reason to be hopeful that there will be a significant decline in cases yet this spring. As we've been saying all year, the Board of Education is committed to having students back in school 5 days a week as soon as it's safe to do so. With a lower case rate and incidence of COVID-19 in our community, as well as improvement in other illness factors, the medical advisory team has suggested that a return to all-in is a possibility yet this spring. At their February meeting, the Board of Education will be discussing the goal of beginning to transition our school-based pathway students to all-in learning following spring break. They'll hear from our medical advisory team about the latest COVID-19 information and data available. I want to emphasize that this is a goal. Our medical advisors do feel it is realistic to work toward making this happen safely after spring break, but they do not feel like we can do it yet due to a variety of illness factors, including our elevated case rate. So we will all need to do our part to help make all-in learning a reality. It's going to take all of us, staff, students, and families, working together to reduce the spread of COVID-19 in our community. We need to be extra vigilant over the next several weeks about all of the health and safety precautions, masking, physical distancing, limiting our contacts, and not gathering in groups. We need to be cautious in all areas of our lives, at school, during extracurricular activities and athletics, during social activities, and even when spending time with extended family. We need to help reduce the spread of COVID-19 in our community so that we're able to make this transition and do it safely. If we want to be in a better place than we're in now, and we want to get our students back in school full time, we have to continue to work together to make this happen for our students. A transition to all-in learning won't be a return to normal. Students and staff will continue to follow health and safety precautions during the school day, such as wearing masks and frequent hand washing. One thing that will have to change is physical distancing, which will be significantly reduced in an all-in model. Our team is advised that it is extremely important that we maintain an increased level of physical distancing during lunch. We are beginning to talk about this now so families can begin planning for this as a possibility. We will continue to update you as we work toward this goal together. Please see my email for additional updates, including a reminder about the schedule changes for next week. Have a great weekend, and as always, go Bears.